Hi, my name is Pradeepa Rao, and today we are talking about Theo. Theo was our first dog, my and my husband Rohan's first dog. He came into our life very unexpectedly. We had just gotten married, and we were shifting cities, and we were not looking to adopt a dog because I already have three cats. And while I was in Bombay, briefly just wrapping everything up and there to pick up my cats, a friend of mine just casually sent across this adoption appeal and said, you know what, this boy needs a home. If you can, please spread the word, or if you're looking to adopt, it would be wonderful if you can. Um, that photo, I think, is what took my breath away. It took Rohan's breath away. He was all of 2.5 months old in that photograph. His previous family loved him a lot, but was finding it difficult to manage with a very young child and a young puppy. Um, Within 4 days of seeing that photo, going to meet him, he was home. He was home with us, just like that. And our lives changed overnight too. I went from just being a mother to three independent cats to chasing around this four-legged creature who wanted to chew up everything in his sight, or he constantly was just nipping at your skirt and constantly wanting to just be in your lap. Yeah, that's the first memory of Theo. Then we shifted to Goa, and that boy loved the outdoors. He would go muddy himself in the garden. Um, he would when we took him to the beach. Oh my God, I never knew he could love the beach so much. He swam and he rolled in the mud. He rolled in the sand. He would dirty all of us, but oh, there was such joy when you saw him doing all of that. He just opened. I think he just made everything so much more better. Our lives just revolved around him, and every decision, every plan that we made revolved around him, his meal times, and I think he spoiled us. He was the perfect first dog because he would just be so nice and quiet every time we stepped out, and he was loved by everyone, everywhere, and people who we've never met before wanted to talk to us just because they saw Theo, and he loved our cats. He loved our youngest cat, Tuxedo, the most, and Tuxedo loved him. They would play tug of war and all sorts of things. Um, he was just 11 months old when we lost him. Um, Sorry, to a genetic heart condition. He was here 1 minute, he was playing with us, and he was gone the next. We learned later that, he was so young that the symptoms hadn't started showing yet, but because he was a big boy, he was somehow a very big golden retriever. His body just couldn't take the pressure, and the heart just stopped functioning one fine day. And that is also the result of backyard breeding. What the vets suspected was that the breeder must have bred within the same circle of brothers and sisters, and that is how these genetic diseases happen. So, my request to everyone, please adopt, don't shop. When your demand stops, so with the supply. So yeah, so sorry. He was very giving. He was so naughty. He was just so naughty. You'd not feel like scolding him. The biggest, I think, once you've had a dog like you in your life, you cannot not have another dog. So I think, because he filled us up with so much love, and we had to find a way to give it back after he was gone. We went on to adopt Snowy, our second dog, and she helped us cope with his loss a lot. But his loss, I think we were just very lost after him, and I wanted a purpose, and he's the reason that I went ahead and did a course to become a pet bereavement advisor. Yes, I am a pet bereavement advisor certified from Blue Cross, although I'm crying right now because I miss him. But yes, I've learned a lot because of him. I've learned to be more giving, I've learned to be more patient. Um, yeah, and